Am I back? 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 I'm back. I don't know what my internet's doing this. Yeah. It's alright, chat. Okay, let's keep going. I wanted to do something here. I know we finished all of this, but just before we go on to week 3, for this tree question, because I suck at trees, let's do a follow-up to this, right? So this in this shit, we found the largest path, right? The longest path, but I also want to let's say the follow-up to this question, instead of just returning 3, which is the longest path, let's also return the actual path. Like, what are the nodes path? I think that's a good follow-up question. In an interview, I think it's likely they asked it. Yeah. Down to make a course. Yo, let's go. It's gonna be our first company, bro. Yes, the essay course with tech YouTuber guests. Yes, bro. We hire, dude, we hire people. We hire like the best people, right? To be the professors. And we know how to make the courses entertaining and shit. But we make sure the professors make them entertaining, and since they're super knowledgeable, it'll be super knowledgeable. And we're all super knowledgeable, so the course will be super knowledgeable. It's going to be the best course ever. I'll go chef. I can be a prof. Chat will be the prof, bro. Yes, and then, right, we take algoexpert.com and we redirect that to our website. We take Tech Interview Pro, we redirect that to our website. Right? We take Joma class, we redirect that to our website. Yo, yeah, Trent Black is gonna be the course professor, bro. Oh, bro. Irony spectacular. Alright, let's fucking do this shit. Yo, yeah, we have to get Trent Black as a professor. That way he cannot make a video on us wrong. You understand? He cannot make the worst of the tech industry bullshit, even though our course is fucking perfect, right? It'll be perfect. But haters are gonna hate unless the haters join us. And then we win. Ever. Wait, am I buffering? Refresh the stream. I think I'm... Is the stream good? What is happening? Chat, am I lagging? Alright, we're good? My class is dead. Really? I feel like Joma probably makes so much money from Joma. Like, that's probably his highest earning thing. I feel like, I don't know, but I would guess so. So we're essentially describing corruption. What are you talking about, bro? How is this corruption, my friend? How is this corruption if the course is the best thing ever, right? And people are deriving incredible value from the course, learning better than their universities. How is this corruption? We're doing a good deed in the society, helping people, improving in life. Now we have to solve this stupid tree problem. Joma is funny though, even when he scammed. Are you talking about his his Doge thing, his crypto Doge? What happened with that? I haven't been following. I think he's still doing it. What's it called? Bro, what it was called? The NFT thing. 2 interns. Hey, we're not interns anymore, brother. Okay. So how do we find the path of... Okay, we found the path, but we need the nodes on each of the path. Okay. So to know the nodes on each of the path, I think what we need to do is take note of whenever this max diameter is changing. Right. So first of all, let's remove this. So if max diameter is smaller than this, that means a change occurs. And therefore max diameter has to be equal to left plus right plus 2. But not only that, we also need to take note of this node. Change node. Let's call this change node for now. And so change node will become node. Will become the current node. We'll point to this node. And at the very end of this path find, change node will be the node in the middle of the longest path. And from there on, I think we can just go current students teaching how to be sweet. Well, the thing is, like, you don't need, it's not teaching how to be sweet, right? It's going to be teaching like algorithm data structures or like OOP or shit like that, and like that's completely fine. Like I was a teaching assistant for those courses, so I already taught those courses at university while being a student, because I finished those courses. The path to existence. Find the path. Yeah, so how do I know what nodes are on this path? I know the node in the middle. After this whole fiasco. Just because I know the node in the middle doesn't really help me enough find what the path is. It could be many different paths and right? Shit, I'm actually not sure. What would this be? I'm thinking like you probably have to find like the max height, or like starting from this node, right? Starting from this change node, you have to go to the left and the right, find the max height path. And in the max height path, when you're doing the max, right, max between left and right, you have to check which one is the max. Is it the left or is it the right? Then you have to store that node somewhere. And yes, on each of these nodes, you have to store the node, and then yes, at that point, you can then you have everything stored. But I don't think it will be in order. It might be in order, actually. Yes, going backwards. I think that makes sense. I don't know if there's a better way. Yo, Voredzi, thank you for the prime. Appreciate it. Yo, what up, Puncher? Are people allowed to stream Algrex? Actually, I don't know. You have to ask Clement. Oh boy, Clement. Yo, Clement, actually, yo, chat, let me show you something funny. Clement commented on one of my videos on my second channel about him. Damn, I need to post a video. This is fucking 1 month ago. Which one was it? This one. Have you guys seen this?
I want to show her the other YouTubers.
Oh my god,
I will show you some
condo.
people. You rate them for me.
Based on what?
Based on their looks.
Hey,
on what?
wait a minute.
Hey.
Most of you guys aren't subscribed, so hit the subscribe button right now.
Don't forget to click the bell notification.
How about Ben Awad?
Oh, he's cute. The little baby.
What does he feel like?
Feels like a classmate.
A classmate.
Yeah, like a classmate, like someone you'd want to study with.
So a study buddy in
Yeah.
the library.
Yeah, you know, you could have a cute little flirtation.
A cute little flirtationship. What about Clement Mihailescu?
That's a difficult last name.
Yes, and I botched it. What does this guy remind you of?
Oh, this is a very unfamiliar face.
Very unfamiliar
So you
face,
see-
Gene said. Look at what Clement said. I can't believe you saw this, bro. How did you find this video? It's at 18k views. I think it would be simpler if you try to store the edges instead of the node. How do you store the edges? What do you mean by that? But the edges here are the nodes, aren't they? Like the edges is just in the node itself. What do you mean by store the edges? Alright, what are you supposed to do with this question again? Yeah, so this question is just trying to find the diameter of the longest path, right? So the longest path is like the edges, so just 1, 2, 3 in this tree. It could be any path in the tree, the longest path. You return the number, so this is 3 here. But I want to follow up on this question, which is find the longest path and also return all the nodes on that path. So here would be like 4, 2, 1, 3. This is the longest path. Right now, I'm just returning a number. Yeah, so that's like, I think what the follow-up question would be. Return the node. Okay. Yeah, the problem is I can't really test it. I'll use code, but let me write something. So once I have this, I have the chain. And at this point, what do I want to do? I have the change node. Check left and right subtree. Max height. Save each node of max height. Okay. So let me define another function. Find path. Oh, it's already called path find for this. Find nodes, let's call this. And this node here, if we're gonna need a path equals nothing nodes going if non-local path, and if node is none, return. Yeah, so now we're gonna find path, right? So, damn, wait. It's gonna be like same shit as this.
Okay. I think I have a max height function here. And therefore I need to use this. I need to use this. How do I use this? Maybe I could just use it. No, I can't. Fuck. Max of height. What are you guys talking about? Pass the empty list as a parameter. Update that path as we traverse down. Hit delete. Turn a path. Right. But the thing is, here I'm traversing everything. So I'm pretty sure I have to do something. Right? Like I have to do something additional here. It cannot be in the same thing. Right? And I know I have to change them. Okay. Okay. -1. Left equals to path line. I think I do the same thing here actually. Right? Fine. And I just need to check, right? If left is bigger than right, we have to append. Path dot append. Node dot left, right? If it's bigger. Otherwise, path dot append node dot right. Right? Is this it? And we just return. Question is this one. It's a follow-up to this one, which is this and then plus return the nodes of the path is what I'm doing. So it's like a question. That's, I don't know if there's an actual equal question for this. So I'm gonna copy this in my VS Code, test it out. Yeah, bro, I have like so many people. I have some like pretty cool companies that email me. Some person from Google like straight up just referred me. Like he just put in my information and referred me. Like I received a Google referral email. And so like I need to do so much shit right now. But, so yeah, I have like quite a few leads I can apply to and shit. I just need to make sure I can pass into. I won't have that many options. This will be my last shot. Oh, the fuck. Okay, so let's just name my you guys can see everything. this, this. Move this. Okay. I'm gonna test this out. Oh man, I gotta create a tree node to test this out as well. Go. Okay. Google still on current freeze? I think so. But you know, as an employee, I think you're allowed to like refer people in. Okay. I know. So what's happening here is if the left is bigger than the right, I'm appending left to the path. Is this correct? Because let's say if we go down this path, right? So 4 will be 1. This will be 1 1 because it's none. Going to return 0, and it's going to append none to it, which is fine. And then when it comes to 2, 4 will be 1, and 5 will also be 1. So since this is the same, it's going to append the right side, which is 1. That's fine. Which is 5. So 5 will be appended here. And then from here on, we have none. Oh, we're going to have... Wait. No, this is not good. Because this is going to append this side and this side. Right? You got it, Van? How'd you do it? Yo, what's up, Lewis Hamilton? Overthinking it? How? How do you know what's like? Because even if you have the middle node, right? In the left subtree, there can be multiple separation. Yeah, so the count is the first level, and the follow-up is the path, right? So Bunny, Van, I want to like know the nodes of the path. I want to know all of the nodes. Path. Fuck. Yes. What's gonna happen here is 4 is going to go to the none, and path.append. Fuck. Are you allowed to change the return signature of find nodes? Yes. Yep. But like, what do I don't even have a return term. Like, it can return anything. Use a hash map to store the parent at every node. Then get the left leaf to the root and the right leaf to the max path. Build the path using.
If you want to add, as we are returning from the call stack, prob traversing in order. But that's the thing, even if we're traversing it, we're gonna be traversing things that we don't want to add. But the problem is, while we're returning, we don't know if we want to add that or not. And that's the issue, because we only know what's the max is after having returned path. Yeah, because once, like, let's say this is 1, 2, 4, 5, right? And let's say there's a 6 here. When you're visiting 4, how do you know that 4 is not the max path? Like, how do you know to add this or not? Like, okay, let's say if let's say if there's 4, 5 here, and or like 4, 7 here. This 5 has like 6 and 8. Yeah, like you can't know. Unless I add multiple lists, then I check which list is the largest. And now I'm going to look at the solution, because I'm sure someone wrote this. There we go. Ooh, someone has it. Oh my god. Oh my god, okay. DFS if node turns 0. Okay, so they're doing this in one freaking shot. And non-local diameter, diameter left path equals DFS. Yeah, okay. And left plus right is bigger than diameter. Yeah, this is what I was doing. Yes, correct. And here it adds the path. The left path plus no dot value plus right path. Right path, everything. Is this inversed? I think this is everything inversed, right? From the right path. And then we have if left is bigger than right. Okay. 1 plus left. Left path plus left path plus. Okay. Oh. Okay. I kind of get this and I kind of don't. Like, isn't this creating like multiple lists? The fuck? Oh, but it's only updating if it's bigger. So it works. Yes. Okay. I see. The solution is what I was saying about the return signature. Oh, I see what you... Reading solution 20 push-ups. No, okay, this is a question I just made up, alright? So it doesn't count. Fuck all this shit. Okay, that's right. We don't even need this check. So we can just have a max path. A have here. Then only then add it to path. We're gonna return if left is bigger than right. We're gonna return left plus 1, right? number of edges from the left side. And wait, what was my shit? It was like +2 I had, right? No, it was plus. Bro, I hate trees. Yeah, +1 makes sense. And then else turn right +1. But we have to add we have to also return the path, which is going to be node wait, what is the path that we return? Is it just the node? Fuck. Okay, I guess we need to pass the array here, right? And oh god. Fuck, I'm not sure I understand. What are you returning? It's the same logic as the original version where it only updates the past different diameter. Yes, that makes sense. That makes sense. I'm just not sure what I'm supposed to return here. Am I supposed to return the node on left? Because this means that the left path is better, right? But what is the left path until here? Isn't this supposed to be an array I'm returning? And the answer was wait, is there a question to this? Binary tree maximum path sum? I remember that question. That's a hard question. It's returning the left path plus value. What the fuck?
Oh, because the base case. Fuck, man. Okay, the base case is nothing. So that's okay. Oh my god. So since the base case is an empty array, what I was missing. So it's an empty array plus the current. Okay, got it. Block. So left path plus this as an array, right? Oh my god, no dot left. And this will be right path plus no dot right. And here we have to return this in an empty array, and each one of this recursion call, we're gonna have to return left path, turn right path. Bruv. Oh, good shit, man. I think I got it too. Almost there. Look, extra sexy. Secret is suffer. Here, bro. More you suffer, more sexy. Alright. In this, I have to add what? I have to add max path is going to max path. Is it just left path? Wait. Plus this? Plus right path? Is this it? kind of camera you got? You can do exclamation point tech, Shark Tank. It's going to tell you. Yo, Rosie. Incursion by returning empty list at the bottom of the tree, pending notes through cursive stacks pops back up. Yes. Correct. Left path plus node. Oh yeah, fuck man. Okay. Left path plus node. Yes, that makes sense. Whoa. I need some kind of way to wrap my head around, like, I say tree problems, but I think what it is like a recursion problem. I'm not thinking recursively enough. Okay, so this is turning this, turning that. Yeah, this is fine. This is it. This is it, I think. Wait, right path. Okay, but that's just to that is just to reverse the right path, right? This one. It's not like. Okay. Let me check it. Bro, what is this? Oh fuck. Reverse left. Alright. Okay. Oops. I submitted this just to save it, but let me note this down. All right, let's keep going. Yeah, I think I still have some misunderstanding about this, but I think I'm gonna just keep going because it's not efficient to get stuck on that shit. It might come to me like tomorrow. All right, week 3, boys. We started week 3. Insert interval done. 25 questions so far. 25 questions, yes. Okay, so we're like one third done. Go. The recursive thing is what ends up biting ass. Yeah. Can just use the length of the list instead. Yeah, true. Hey, Minnie, you're pretty good, Minnie. You're pretty good at this. Yeah, microbic music. Making me want to do legal for funsies. Hey, join me, bro. You review these notes before interviews? Yes, I do. Alright, let's go. Insert interval. I've never done this one before. You are given an array of overlapping intervals where intervals I equals to start and. Represent the start and of. Yeah, let me read this in my head. Okay. We gotta understand this. Basically, we have a bunch of intervals and we want to insert this new interval in, and if it's overlapping, we merge them. If we have 1, 3, and 6, 9, we want to insert 2, 5. Well, 2. Okay, so we have to insert it in correct order. So 2 comes after 1, so it should be in the middle, right? So 1, 3, 2, 5, 6, 9. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, okay, yeah. So 1, 3, 2, 5, 6, 9, but 2 is overlapping with 1, 3, right? Because 2 comes before 3, and therefore we have to merge 1 and 5 together. Okay. Let's see this other example. In the case of 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, we want to add 4, 8. Then I think what's gonna happen here is we add it here, right? 4, 8, but 8 overlaps with 6, 7, and a 10. So I think what happens is 4 becomes with 10, right? No, it becomes 3 with 10. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, because 4 is before 5. Oh shit. Okay, so all 3 of these are overlapping, and therefore we take the smallest and the biggest, the smallest starting, and the biggest end. 3. Okay. So let's break this down. Break this down. What's gonna happen? First, find indexed to insert the interval. Then, I think before even inserting it, we can perform the merge if it is necessary. Right? Check if merge is necessary. Insert. If not, insert. Return list. Now, the tricky part is if yes, what do we do? If yes, reminds me of the other question of merge intervals. If it does. But the thing is here, like, we don't know from where it starts, like, from where it can start overlapping, right? I think we have to check the entire thing. Is that the case? We have to check the entire thing. Because 4 is put here. But we don't know whether 3, 5 is overlapping. We don't know if 1, 2 is overlapping. We don't know if 12, 16 is overlapping. Maybe we know from the number. Yeah, I guess we can know from the number, right? But we still have to check everything. Yo, what up, Sky?
Yes, my boy Trundle Top. Yo, welcome, brother. I'm interview prepping, so
I'm just coding right now. Yo, what up, Soren? Thank you, brother. Trundle Live posted one of my little side projects in his Discord. Oh shit, you code too? Okay. Nice. Still work for Coinbase. Oh, Sammy, you have a lot of catching up to do, my friend. Go check out my YouTube. And Greta or Tate? Oh, are you talking about the Twitter thing? Yo, Tate got destroyed on Twitter, bro. Tate got destroyed by Greta Thunberg. They have to be honest. Like, I'm not rooting for Greta to win, but like, Tate did not win that exchange on Twitter. Like, we have to be honest with ourselves. I'm full stack, more backend in my company. Oh shit, okay. That's the best position to be in, I think. Full stack with more backend. That's kind of what I wanna look for. Greta bodied my idol Tate, bro. Unfortunate day. Go to Twitter, bro. No, I have to do this question. Stop. Yeah, there's a lot of interesting stuff going on, but we have to do this bullshit of Okay, so my thinking now is just if a merge is necessary. Okay, before even if checking the merge is necessary, we need to know how to check for the merge. So how do we do that? We have to check 4, right? Number 4, we have to check if it's smaller. If it's smaller than the one that comes before. And we also have to check if the ending of it is bigger than what comes after, or equal, right? Bigger or equal. I think that's what I gotta do. Okay. So how can I do that? I can either do like a while loop, go backwards in the array until I find something that is put it here. I look back and I see the 4 is smaller than 5. I know it merges, but I don't know if the previous one is all. Is that possible? Can there be duplicates? Can this be starting at this starting value? The start is less or equal. I'm going to assume that there's no duplicate starting values. Let's see it, Soren. If there's no duplicate starting values, then I only have to check back one time. So I just need to check back, I just need to check back 1 and to see if the merge is necessary. So check if the merge is necessary by looking back 1. Look previous interval. If current second value is smaller than previous, current first value is smaller than the previous second value, or equal, then merge with merge previous one with current 2. And then after this, check next intervals. Feel bad, I've been watching since the start of the grind. All along for everything but hiring. Oh, no worries. Got through week 1, bro. Good job. That's already a lot, man. Already a lot. Okay. So check next intervals that comes after it. How do I check this? I think I do a while loop. While current second element is bigger or equal. Bigger or equal. The next first element. Yes. Keep going next. And then once this stops, when it stops, use that intervals index. The stopped indexed. Stopped index is the one to merge. Merge current 0 with stopped 1. Yeah, Chow, dude, this is you can see, right? This medium one is getting a bit more involved. Shit, bro. I don't know if I can finish all of this within 1 week. I try. Gotta do system design too. Merge current 0 with stopped 1. So yeah, I think this is the algorithm. Yeah, I think this is the pseudocode we need. I don't know if anyone's if you guys are doing this too. I don't know if you think this is have any thoughts about this, but I think this is correct, and I'm going to try to code this. The alternative to this, which will be simpler, is simply to check. Is simply to insert this new interval in whatever it's supposed to be, and then check the entire array again to merge intervals, which is very easy, right? But I'm going to do this the hard way, which is kind of stupid, but whatever. I'm hungry. Get some food after this one. Right? Find it. Look like a good person in real life. Bro, I'm a horrible person. What is your personality as? Personality is ENFPDES. Alright. So find the index to insert the interval. How do I do it? For I in range length of interval. I think I can just do a while loop action. No, it's fine. If intervals 0, intervals I, first element is bigger. Is bigger or equal to the new interval's first element, right? So if we want to insert 2, we have to check 1. 1's fine, and once we arrive at 6, 6 is bigger than 2, and therefore we need to put it before. Yes, once it's bigger or equal. If it's equal, what happens if it's equal? I think it's fine. Even if it's equal, I can put it before it. What happens here is that insert index 0. We're gonna break. Actually, we're gonna do is insert index minus equals to 1 and then break, right? So now insert index is find index to insert. Insertion would occur. So now we have insert index is the index where it should be putting it. Actually, we don't need to do it. So -1, it would be 0 here. Yeah, it would not be -1. So the index would be 1 in this case, right? So it would find 1. And then after this, check if merge is necessary. Look previous. So the previous will be at insert index -1, in which case use a while loop. It's fine. I already got it. Philip is I don't know where Philip is. Bring Philip back, bro. I can't bring him back. You guys gotta bring him back. He's cuffed up. Alright, look previous, if previous. Okay, so again, we're assuming that there's only one. So if intervals at insert index -1, first element, second element is bigger or equal to the current the new interval, first element. This is going to get messy, boys. I don't like this. Yeah. So if this is bigger than the new first element, so what am I doing here? So I'm checking if 3 is bigger than 2. Yes, if 3 is bigger or equal to 2, we want to merge. So here we merge. Right, merge. And okay, so intervals at insert index -1. This first element is going to be equal to, it's not going to change, but its second element is going to equal to new intervals second element. Holy shit, bro. Okay, here we go. That's it. That's it for the look previous. Now check next interval. Check next while loop. Okay. So while. Let's put on while I. While this fucking hell, bro. While the first element of the next, this is smaller or equal to that previous element. Intervals -1. One. Bro, this is. Whenever did you DC? Yeah, I disconnected earlier. You know, I use 2 computers. I mean, yes, but I don't see what difference that would make. right? I don't see what difference. It might be a bit simpler code, but essentially I'm doing the same. It's fine. Let me finish this. No Wi-Fi, I know, and I'm not even using Wi-Fi. I'm kind of okay. So while let's use this as an okay. Let's say we're here. So intervals I0 is 6, 9, and 0 is 6. So we're checking 6. While 6 is smaller or equal than, so at this point after the look previous, right? Merge is done because here we're checking if 3 is bigger than 2, which is correct. In which case we merge, which means 3 is going to be equal to 5. This is merged to 1, 5. Now, what do? We check next, the next intervals. Next interval is going to be 6, right? We're checking I0. If the 6 is smaller than 5, we perform a merge. That's not the case here. But let's make it the case just so we can perform this merge as an example. This is good. So 4 is smaller than 5. Since 4 is smaller than 5, we have to merge. How do we merge? We merge 1 with 9, right? No, we have to keep going while this is true. Okay, while this is true, we keep going. I plus equals to 1. Yeah, we just keep going. Find the index. Which language? Python, probably. I is less than length of interval. Might be. Yeah, but I mean, like, again, I'm saying I'm trying to do this most efficiently, so I don't have to iterate through the entire list, right? Yeah, I think this is kind of dumb that I'm doing this. In an interview, I might just do it non-optimally first. But I feel like because I already know the solution for the optimal solution, so I'm going to do it right away. It's just going to be a bit more complicated, so bear with me. I think here I need to change. Change equals to false. So change equals to false. And if this is like any change is required, I mean, so if at least one merge is required, merge is going to be true. And right after this, we're going to perform merge. Merge. So if merge is true, how do we perform this merge? Is we're going to merge the current. So intervals at insert index -1, right, is going to be equal yes, the second element of this is going to equal to stopped element. So where does this stop? This is going to stop at, oh wait, we have to limit this. Well, while I less intervals. Right, so let's say we have 1, 5, and 4, 9. This is going to be 4, 9 is, so 4 is less than 5. So this is true. and then merge is going to be true, and I is going to be +1. At this point, I is already 1, right? I is already 1. So, I is going to become 2. So we have to do, at the very end of this, I minus equals to 1. And that will be the last one we actually need to merge. In which case, we can simply perform the merge here, which is intervals at I 1. Holy shit, chat. I think we're done. I think this is it. I feel like this is wrong. I've been doing this entire thing. Got this question in a TikTok phone interview. Holy shit, really? Use a stack? Oh my god. God. You pass it at APES. You need to create a linked list in case. I don't think so. No link. I remember just using left and right stacks. Oh my god, okay. Yeah, stacks I can kind of see. Yo, Callo. Okay, let me just finish my solution because I'm pretty much done. So, is this it? Oh my god, I have to remove everything in between. Fuck. Oh god. Oh my god. Yeah, the stack makes more sense because then you can choose to add the interval or not. I'm trying to change everything in place, which is stupid because I have to delete stuff anyway, which cannot be in place. Bruv. Let me just add this entire thing to it. Oh fuck, I have to iterate through the entire thing anyway. No. Result equals to result this, and for I in range, let me just finish this, bro. Boom. And then depressed. Or I or K is less smaller than I. That is this the answer? Let me see. Return res. Oh my god, run. What is this? Bruv. What do you mean? Yeah, I don't know if I want to debug this or just do the actual solution. You looking buff as fuck? No, bro. I've been going to the boxing gym. Not really. Your continued statement on line 49. Yeah.
Just close it and go league. Tomorrow you finish, bro. Stacks. Or the devil, my. Try the other interview. No, I know how to do the other interview. And I guess I should learn from the question. What I did is, what you would do there is put everything in a new list. So I should learn from that here I should probably put this in a new list. And that means I have to iterate through the entire thing. So the lesson here is, don't fucking try to operate. And simply iterate over the entire list. So I don't think I'll debug this because this is not the. I don't think I should be writing a. I'm gonna try to write a difference. Let me see. I should write down the time I start these at there. 11:30. Try to. Okay. Oh my god. So, let me think about this. How would you use this with a stack? I use a stack. If I used a stack, what I could do is pop the element. Let's say I pop this entire interval. The 1, 3 is going to be on top. And I can simply compare the top of the stack with this new interval I want to put in. And if the first element of this new interval is smaller than the second element, so I know where to put this new interval. Yeah, what up, Teach? Welcome back. Is this backtracking? I do not think so. What question is this? 7. Okay. Okay, yeah, I was saying if 1, 3 is on the top of the stack, then 2 is smaller than this. What the fuck? Let's say I unload everything, right? Okay, I can just, while I'm unloading, I unload 6, 9, and then once I arrive at 3, I know that 3 is bigger than 2. So I should stop unloading at this moment. And since I know this, I can perform one merge already. Yes. And then I can start from the other stack again to put things back. Yes, yes. Does that make sense? So unload. Yo, Gignius, thank you for the prime. Unload my load. Unload intervals into new stack. Let me write this formally. While end of while top of intervals, first element. Wait, fuck, no. Second element is bigger, or it. Second element is. Yes, while this is bigger than new intervals first element, pop
that shit. We're gonna pop unload into new stack. Then what? Then after this is done, so let's say we arrive at 1-3, 6-9 is popped. We can see that 3 is smaller than 2, in which case we stop. Form merge. Form merge. Top of stack. Top of intervals. First element. Okay, first of all, I suggest not mutating the list but instead making a new list run. Yeah, at the beginning of this bullshit here is I'm mutating the list. So I'm like rewriting a new solution, which is going to also mutate the new list, but in a new stack. I think this works. I think this works. What up, Saito? Did you solve N queens yet? What is that, bro? I don't know what that is. I have not solved that. Is that in grind 75? Is that related to this question? I might do that later. Quick, guys, use your Twitch Prime to give this guy some income. Yo, Gignius, I love you, my friend. Top of intervals 0 is what? Okay, so at this point we arrive at 1-3, and we know that. Yeah, perform the merge. So 1 is gonna be okay. Before performing, holy fuck. Pop first. Pop the top of intervals. Current is gonna equal to this. Then current is gonna, this first element is gonna be is not gonna change actually. Second element is gonna equal to the new interval second element. Wait, am I tripping? So at 1-3 we're gonna set 3 to be 5, which is correct. If bigger, right? If bigger only. And append to new stack. In the new stack is going to have 6-9 currently. Okay. Wait, do I need a queue? I think I need a queue. In the new, it's not a new stack. It would be a new. And I put 6-9 into queue. Oh fuck, bro! I feel like I'm cooking down the wrong path again. Thank you, Side. Good backtracking problem. Wait, this is not backtracking. Is this? What? Yo, what up, Mallow? So easy, bro. Fuck you. This is the song, Duck. Holy shit. I think this is the right solution though. Unless so what was I saying? Yeah, I appended to the queue. And no, has to be a stack. Brother. No, the stack makes sense. Because I popped the stack back into the original list. Holy shit. Okay. Okay, and then while I'm popping, okay, then while I'll call this new stack. While top of new stack, while the top of the new stack, so 6 9 is gonna be in the new stack. I have to see if 6, right, the first element, well, the first element is smaller. Well, when do we merge? We merge if 6 is smaller than 5, right? 6 is smaller than 5. Am I trolling here? Yes, we merge when 6 is smaller than 5. So while 6 is bigger, we want to keep popping. No. Fuck, wait. Yes. While 6 is smaller than 5 or equal, then intervals -1, 1, right? While this is true, we're going to merge new stack -1, 1. No. Intervals -1, the original stack 1 is okay, wait. So the original is going to have 1 5, and the new stack is going to have 4 9. And since 4 is smaller than 5, right? Holy fuck. OG. Oh my god, bro. If new stack is 0, 4 is smaller than 5 or equal. What we're gonna do is change the original 5 into intervals, the new stack tops 1. Yes, this is it. This has to be it. And then we simply return intervals. No, this is wrong. By the way, Trundle just started stream. Oh, gotcha. Probably raid him after. Explain your approach in plain English. Hold on, bro. Hold on, okay? I'm cooking right now. I think this is very correct. Might be the best solution ever for this question. While this is true, I'm gonna set this. But if this is not true anymore, it means if new stack non-empty, append pop the remaining into OG intervals into return. This is it, chat. This is literally it. Watch me cook this right now. Watch me cook this shit up. Hold on. I got this. 12, 9 is. Boom. Okay, the thing is, if there's nothing to merge, okay, there has to be something to merge, right? So I'm putting this in, regardless. Fuck, there might be nothing to merge. 6, 10. Oh yeah, okay, that's fine. If merge necessary, merge previous, right? So if the top of the stack, first element, or no, second element is bigger than the new intervals, first element, no, wait, oh my god, bro, okay, so, okay, so 6. Okay, so we're gonna have 1, 3, and 2, 5. If 3 is bigger than 2, which is this, 3 is bigger than 2, then we have to merge. Yes. Jesus Christ, bro. Then that means intervals -1, 1 will become new intervals. New intervals. 1. That simple, bro. And actually it's gonna be the max between the current and this one, right? There we go. Then we perform this while loop, right? The next intervals, if necessary. While temp, the top of the stack, first element is smaller or equal to the intervals top of the stack, second element, right? Which means, what does this mean, my friend? Means if 6 is bigger, or sorry, smaller than 3, merge that O. Intervals -1, 1 will become temp -1, 1. That's simple, my friend. That's simple. Now, if more to merge, if no merge necessary, append the rest. If temp is non-empty, then, well, while temp is non-empty, well, what are we gonna do? First, I think this. While temp is non-empty, we're gonna append the rest to intervals. Intervals append temp dot pop. Holy shit, chat! I think we're there. I think this is it. Oh my god, chat. Oh my chat. Oh my chat. I think I'm done, chat. We run this. What do you guys think? What do you people think? This works, chat. You guys owe me $1 million. Why? 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 Why would you add the end of the interview? That's the whole point of my. Are you saying my solution is wrong? That would be. I think I'm missing the checking for the empty. But why would this be? If it's not supposed to be, right? I'm checking if 9 is bigger than 2, which it is. We perform a pop. Then we check if 3 is bigger. Wait, it is bigger. Hold on. I'm doing. If 9 is bigger, I have to check. Okay, I have to also check and intervals -1's first element has to be like the one here has to be smaller than new interval first element. Or equal, right? Bro, what am I happening? The one has to be smaller or equal. No, it has to be smaller. Bruv. And one important. Bro, I can't, bro. I've been on this for too long. First, think about merge interval. Delete all this and start over? No! Oh, fuck. Fine. Fine. I'll do that. I'll just do. Bro, I feel like this is so close though. Isn't this so close? Never mind, we're gonna do another try. We're gonna do another try because this question sucks.
sucks. What we're gonna do. Or interval in interval. What? Temp equals to empty, right? Temp equals to empty. We're gonna iterate over everything, my friends. So, what? Okay, in the temp, we're gonna put the first motherfucker. Right, we're gonna put the first dude. First dude is in here. Oh, verse from. Put the first dude in. And then what? And we're gonna check for every interval. If interval 0 if interval, okay, sorry. So if for, oh my god, my brain's lagging. If interval if interval 0, which is the first element, 6 is smaller than temp's last interval, second element, then we're going to merge, which means interval. I'm just gonna write merge. Okay. Don't think about it in code. Alright, see ya, go. This is correct though. This is just merging the entire shit. I just need to find at some point in this needs to come in, right? This needs to come in. You just said the answer? Wait, what? Is what I just said the answer? Wait, what? Is that simple? So this is it, right? I just merge everything. No, that's not it. Okay, I merge everything. Okay, I go up until the point where I can put 2.5 in, 2.5. And once I put it in, I merge everything else. I gotta start empty. Why? Start empty. What if you have no interval like an empty? Right. No, I get that. That's not the core logic, right? Like, is the core logic correct? I'm just putting stuff in the array, right? The empty array. Bruv. Okay, bro, what the fuck? Okay, so how do I know when do I put this new interval in? So I check 1, 3. When is smaller than 2, I keep going. then once I see that 6 is bigger than this bitch, what 6 is bigger than this guy, I put 2 5 before the 6. Is that it? I just put 2 5 before the 6 9, and I perform the merge. You know what? Screw you guys. I'm gonna do this. Awesome. Okay. I in range of I in range of length of if interval I is equal to if 0 is bigger or equal to new interval 0 index I form insert I equals index insert I 0 insert I is equal to I minus 1. No, it's just I. Then I do intervals. Insert at I this new interval. Then I merge everything. I just want this test case to pass. Okay, fuck you guys. Merge everything. Temp equals empty loop. 4 intervals 0 4 I in 4 interval in intervals if interval 0 is bigger or equal to temp minus 1 1. What do? We merge. That means temp minus 1 1 is going to be equal to maximum between temp minus 1 1 and interval 1. But we don't need the map. We might need it. Okay. That's it. Else append temp.append interval. This is it, chat. Return intervals. Well, return temp. This is it, chat. This is it. Wrong answer. 131329. What the fuck? Where does 29 come from? This is absolute insanity. Print intervals. Huh? Wait, this is correct. Okay, my merge interval is wrong. Hold on, my merge interval is wrong. If interval... Oh, I know why. I need to skip the first one.
1569. Wait, that's correct. No, that's not my answer. Hold on. Fuck. Oh, bro, I'm so close. Stop calling me out burning. No. Trust me. I'm almost there. Right? I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Isn't this supposed to be 5? What? It worked for the first one. What? Bro, chat. I'm wasting my time. Alright, bruv. Solution time. I don't care. Yeah, I really need a time limit, bro. You guys need to tell me, bro. Oh my god. I can't believe I wasn't able to solve this. But I was so close. I'm actually pissed right now. Just create a candidate variable. Fuck, bro. Is this what you wrote, Ban? This is something you have? Yo, Goif, Wolf, thank you for the sub, for the prime. What? Go get some, bro. Alright, go back. Alright. Let me check this answer. Van, is this the answer you had? More thorough. You also have like 3 cases, right? Dream car. I already have my dream car, bro. My 350Z. I know it might sound stupid, but that was my dream car when I was a kid. I don't really care anymore about. I don't have other dream cars. There are 3 main cases to worry about. No conflict. New interval is behind current interval I. What does that mean? Behind interval I. In this case, the new interval is completely behind the current interval. So we know the correct position of new is completely behind. I see. So no merge is necessary. 1, 3, 4, 5. I see. So the only thing we need to check here is basically 4 has to be bigger. Correct? No, it's checking if 5 is bigger than 1. Yo, just too cloudy. Thank you for the tier 1. Yeah, I have a Z. I have a 3. Yo, Steven. Wait, chat. Do you guys understand what this is saying? This is saying we know this simply by checking new interval 1 is smaller than this. New interval 1 is 5. We check. Wait, no, sorry. New interval is none of this. Wait, bold is new interval. Oh, okay. to check that 3 is smaller than 4. Oh, okay, makes sense. 3 is smaller than 4. We know it comes before it. Okay. So this is when there's no conflict after. No conflict after current interval. I. In this case, the new interval is completely after the current interval, so we know the correct was. Okay, so this is when there's no conflict right before it. So when 7 is bigger than 5. Great. So this makes sense. Case 3. In this case, the new interval is colliding with the current interval in 4 possible ways. We can check if this. We can check this if neither of case 1 and case 2 are satisfied. We can check this if neither of case 1. Yes. So new interval completely merging with the current interval. In this case, the new interval is completely submerged with the current interval. So, I guess there's a merging that needs to occur for both in front and in the back. And then another case is new current interval is completely merging within the new interval. Huh? Oh. So everything outside merges within the new interval. Case 3 is when the current interval is behind of. Yeah, so you only merge in front, and then you only merge in the back. In all of the subcases of case 3, we can simply get the new merged interval by taking the min and max of both endpoints. Oh my god! I think I understand. Oh my god. Okay. Before looking at the solution, let me type it out. Oh. Yikes, bro. Look at all this shit. Okay. So here, what we're gonna have. Fuck, bro. It's already 12, 8. Chat. Medium questions are too fucky. I actually only have 2 cases, practically 1. Don't listen to this. Bigger seems he is bigger comprehending brain than me. I just read it thoroughly. But I think it's similar to what you did, to be honest. Are you already using Copilot? What up, Kim? Yes, I am, but not like outside of work. Not for LeetCode, obviously. Okay. Let's write this out. Shit. 3 cases, just really quickly. One is if inserts. So first one is inserts inserts after with no collision before. 2 is inserts before with no collision after it. 3 is collision either before or after or both. Okay. Where's my music? Oh my god. I'll do the 20 push-ups after, bro. Alright, let me solve this. I don't even know if I can solve this, bro. If not interval, let me just write this, return. Okay, so for I in interval, in range, length. Okay, so for every interval, what are we gonna do? Let's check number one, right? If wait a second, but even if number one is true, we don't know if number 3 is true. Uh-oh. 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 Tweet something embarrassing. Should do that. But I will do the push-ups this time. Uh-oh. Oh, it's using an empty array, and it's appending interval. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. If I gotta think about this thing, bro. I keep forgetting. I need to use a new thing to put these things in. I'm not gonna change them in place. So if inserts after with no collision before. How do I know if there's no collision before? I know that there's no collision before because intervals I at 3 has to be smaller than 2, right? So 1 has to be bigger than new interval. First thing. This means res is going to equal to ris is going to equal to intervals. Fucking hell, bro. It's going to be equal to res plus new interval. No, res plus intervals up to this point, up to I, plus new interval, right? Isn't this the answer? And then else if, this is number 2. Else if there's no collision after intervals at I how do I check after? Oh, I have to check for every element. So this means if 5 is smaller than 6, right? So if 6 is bigger than new interval 1, 5. Bro, what the fuck? You can see my hair get worse over time. What do you mean? Use this merge function, by the way. No. Okay, maybe. Hold on, bro. Just. Oh my god, bro. This question. I don't know why this question is fucking me up so much. I feel like it's because of these stupid 0 and 1s. Okay, so if new and is. Is this what I'm doing? I think it is. Literally what I'm doing. One is smaller than. Bruv. Tag me in. I gotta finish this, bro. Yo, what's up, Rizu? I'm graduating next semester. I have 2 more courses. I'm almost done. Let me know when you're ready to interview rest interested. Oh, bet. Thank you. I will. I'm out to joining Headlands. What is Headlands? Probably should read the solutions thoroughly. Yeah. Yep. Good night, smart. 1 elective, 1 CS. Oh my god. This is discouraging me. Okay. I understand this, but I don't know why I can't code it. Okay, so 1, you can put it before if 3 is smaller than 5. Yes. If 3 is smaller than yes. That's what I'm doing. You can put it before if the new interval's last element is, let's say 5, is smaller than 3. Wait, no. You can put it before if yes. No, this has to be 0. Oh my god, okay, so if 5 is smaller than 6, it means I can put it before with no problem. Okay, good. I can put it after if 2 is bigger than 3, right? So 2 has to be bigger than 3. Wait, sorry. Put it before 6, 9. So 2 has to be no. Wait, I inverse these two. I just inversed. So inserts after is 1 and 3. So I can insert after is 2 is bigger than 3, right? So 0 here, right? 2 0 is bigger than this 1. Other way around. I can't believe they did that shit right before Christmas. Yeah. Oh, they did like a week before. I had to like make the video. We all have our off days. Yeah. Betsam, you're in are you in New York? Headlands.
Headlands. Oh, it's a quant firm. Cool. Good shit. You're getting lost in details thinking of the bigger picture. Yeah, but no. The thing is, I understand the bigger picture. It's just I need to do the details right now, and it's fucking. Hell yeah, Sky. Y'all both in New York. Yeah, so low tier buddy here. Me and him interned together at Meta this summer in New York. Yeah, we're both trying to get back. Okay. Let me do these two cases correctly. Inserts after with no collision before. So 2-5 after 1-3. 2 has to be bigger than 3. So 2 has to be bigger than 3. This is correct. This has to be bigger than 3. I can insert it. And then to insert it before, right? So let's say before 6-9. This means that 5 has to be smaller than 6. New interval 1 has to be smaller than. Here we go. That's it. I'm tripping over nothing. That's it. Number 2. And then what do we have? Okay, we have to perform the merge. So the merge will be whatever is in res. Well, I don't know if we need to do this because wait. Enter my solution. Okay. Send it to me on. Let me take a look. Question is basically exactly like merge. Wait, but is it though? Betsip, how would you do this thing? You know what? Before I do this question, let me do merge interval. Because this question is really not supposed to be this. And I think I'm having an aneurysm. Are you ADHD? Yes, I am. What's up, G? Bro, I'm so hungry, chat. I need food. Maybe that's why I'm not performing. I'm like starving right now. June is here to take me away. Dude, can you give me some food, G? Courtesy offers and it's fine, guys. Fine. I'm like over it at this point. Like, we gotta move on. My mom's cooking. Hell yeah. My mom's cooking more than me, bro. I can't cook this cold at all. Yo, good night, Pekka. Don't dog the boys. Mean. Oh yeah. Nah, chat. We gotta finish this question at least. And where are we at? We're only here, bro. We gotta do this and maybe this one. Yeah, let's finish this and then do this. This one's easy. These two are easy. Oh, dude, all these 5 are easy. Right? Maybe we can do all of this. Maybe I'm capping. Yo, BetSimp, I have a question actually. I yeah. So yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, my question was like, I have a few people from Google who want to refer me, and I was wondering, does it make any difference like who refers you? Like, should I pick the guy who has the most experience to refer me? I have a few friends there, and just like people who work. It makes a difference, yeah. Damn. I have to find out who has them. Them stuff for the. Okay, so what happens? Like someone who saw my YouTube video just referred me directly. I have no idea what this person put in the bio. I really appreciate it, but I don't know what they put.
Like, I received a Google referral email to apply with. I'm not sure if I should use that. You have to write the times I worked with. Oh, I see. I see. Yo, what up, Chunk? Doing merge intervals? Okay, let me do this question, chat. Let me do this question. There ain't no way I cannot do this question, bro. Come on, bro. Okay, intervals. Let me sort this first. Gotta sort this by e equals lambda x xy. We want to sort it by x sorted by the first element. Then for interval in intervals. Actually, we're gonna do for I in range of length of intervals. We're gonna skip the first one. We're gonna put it in directly. Then for the remainder of this, what are we going to do is what are we gonna do is if intervals, so let's say we're gonna start at 2, right? So if 2 is smaller than 3, right? So if intervals at I, that first element, smaller or equal to results last element, second item, right? Which is 3. This is smaller or equal to 3. We want to merge these together. So res minus 1. 1 will be the maximum between what is already there and intervals I 1 6, right? So it's either going to be 3 or 6. Okay, fine. And then else else you can just append intervals I. If 2 is not smaller or equal to the, right, like 8, it means there's no merging. And at the end of this, we just return res. 0, 4, and 1, 4. Huh? 4. 0, 4. 0 is supposed to be already in res. And I'm not changing it at all. How can this be 1, 4? Then we're checking 1, 4. If 1 is smaller or equal to 4, if it is, we're gonna perform a merge, change 4 max between 4 and 4. Which is just 4. So this should return 0, 4. Oh, I see. This is supposed to come after. Okay, so this is merge intervals. Why doesn't this work with this? Can I just not insert it? I've been at Google for around 6 years. Oh shit. My second job search. You're a hot Asian girl, I'm down for green card marriage. April, August got me interview ready for quant firms. Brain tease. Once you get the interval into the list at a correct position, you're Gucci.
Yo, what up, Kevin? You're either getting a massive or a massive trip. Yeah, brother. Can't lose. Can't lose with this setup.
Yo, Kevin. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I met this guy. This guy who I'm planning on doing this startup with next semester. It's called Ethan. He was in my 25-second video. He's a big fan of you, Kevin. Like, it's like, oh, my favorite is Kevin Naughton. He goes like, I love Kevin. Like, oh, that guy helped me through my leak codes and shit, everything. It was so funny. I need help for both, Kevin. Probably solve 1,000 problems. Holy shit. You have to keep solving them, right, Betsimp? Or like, because I feel, for me, if I stop, it's like I get rusty. when I interview prep for Quant for Citadel, I felt so confident, but now it's like I feel like a shitter again. I haven't done anything for like 2 months, 2-3 months. All right, okay, let me just try it with a simple solution. So let me insert this shit at the right position. Okay. Or interval for I in range length of intervals. I in range of intervals. I need to find where to insert this new, which means if how do I know where to insert? I know where to insert it if 2 here is bigger than this, right? So if new interval first element is bigger or equal to intervals i's first element, right? If 2 is bigger than this or equal, then we want to insert it afterward. Right? 2 is bigger than 1. Oh, wow. Sure. Okay. Yo, chat, I got some food for this. Noodles and chicken. Yo, look at this. Yo, Kevin, are you still here? This is what you want, right? Fucking chicken breast. Good shit. Midnight snack. Kevin, does your girlfriend cook for you? One thing I don't forget, oh yeah, binary search. Okay, I'm almost done this question. I've been on this question for 1 hour, bro. What the fuck? Oh my god. LeetCode is so depressing when you're unable to understand. Insert I. Okay, so at this point, once 2 is bigger than 1, right? I have to keep going. We stop this when it's smaller, right? So if 6 is going to be here, 6 is bigger than 2, but we stop. We stop at 6, 9, right? If it's bigger or equal, we stop here, and we have this index. We want to insert it here. So what's going to happen after that is intervals insert at index I this thing. Still on this question, Bobby? Yes. We're gonna insert this dude, this new interval. I swear to God, This does not work. Gonna be very angry. Yo. Okay, hold on. Normally I cook more than her, I'd say. Oh, okay. Sometimes, but she doesn't make anything crazy. Okay. Wait, what does your girlfriend do, Kevin? You also like a sweet. Wait, I think you said it last time, right? Not a sweet. The psychology or something? Damn, bro. You're the breadwinner and you cook? What the fuck? Bro, Kevin is literally boyfriend material. Husband material. Oh yeah, clinical psychologist. Also, there are some instant LC grinders on Twitch like the Impact. Oh really? I haven't seen any other decoders. I feel like most people here are like building product or something. Okay, let's see why this is wrong. Okay, so when there's only one thing. Eh? Oh. This is supposed to be 1 5 and 2 3, right? After I add it. And therefore it should become 1 5. Why is it becoming 2 5? So the reason why it can become 2 5, I think, is because 2 3 is added before 1 5. So if 2 3 is added before 1 5, yeah, that would become 2 5. So why is 2 3 added before this? The problem here, if new interval 2 is smaller or equal to than 5, insertion point is 0, and therefore it's going to push back 1 5. Oh. I see. So I need to add another condition here. So if interval 0 is smaller than wait. If wait, what? How come? So is this the only is this only because there's only one thing here? 1 5 2 3. Is this the only case where this happened? Or I guess it happens if 5. Fuck. So, okay. Oh my god. How do I prevent this? So if new interval 0, right? New interval 0 is actually bigger than this current interval's eyes. Wait, what? New interval if 2 is smaller or equal to the I. Insert I. Did I change? God. Oh my god, bro. Wait, this is not even supposed to add it inside the interval, because 2 is not smaller than 1. Right? How is this even adding it? Ridiculous. This question is the most ridiculous question ever. More ridiculous than fucking what's a ridiculous question? Random lock. That question's pretty ridiculous. What's it called? Yeah, something like lock. Ah, fuck, bro. What is happening here, bro? I'm crazy right now. Oh, I get it. Because insert I is still 0. Here. I get it. So here I just have to put the length of intervals -1, which means if this has not been changed at all, insert it. God. What are you talking about? Oh, that's wait. That's still 0. Yes. yes. So this means Jesus. If insert I -1. You know what? Let's fucking start with -1. Right, let's start with -1. Wait, can we start with -1? Yeah, we start with -1. If insert I is equal to -1, let's just append it. Intervals.append new interval. Boom. Else we do this. Oh my god. Bro. Bro. What a waste of Thank you, Kevin. Man, this shit's crazy. And this is not like optimal solution, I think. Wait, beat 82%. This is not too bad. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. I'm gonna just keep it. I'm not doing more. I've spent 1 hour on this. I think you could have set it to length of intervals in here. Oh, wait, really? Let's try it. Can you insert into an array in an index that doesn't exist yet? Let's see. Oh, what? Rough. Nice. This is not even needed. Wait. What just happened? Okay. Alright. Okay. So this literally is just insert the new interval and then merge intervals. Oh my god. Unbelievable. Okay, the lesson from this question is don't overcomplicate.
You just discovered a hidden meme about Python.
The 4else clause. Oh yeah. I learned about that while I was lead coding previously. That was that was quite the discovery. The hidden meme. Every time I remember that I use Java to integrate Python. Wait, Kevin, you use Java? Oh. Wait, so when you... Oh yeah. I guess when you integrate other people, most of the time they probably use Python. Right? Wait, so Kevin, are your videos in Java? Yo, shout out to Kevin. Wait, Bad Simp, are you in this video? Maybe you're in this video.
How many leak code questions do you think you've solved? What's been your favorite moment at Google so far? How long have you been at Google?
17 years.
Today we're on the Google
That's
campus
right
asking
there,
Googlers
17
questions
years.
like, what advice do you have for someone trying to
NYC. Wait, Kevin's also at New York.
get into
Isn't this
Google
the
right
New York
now?
office?
How many leak code questions
STL.
have you solved? Do you see yourself staying at Google in the future? Also, make sure to stick around till the end because this guy has been at Google for almost 18 years, has met Larry Page, and has the best tips for software engineers. Let's go.
Okay, so
What-
first off,
dude.
what's your name? How long have you been at Google, and what's your title?
I'm Allison. I'm a software engineer, and I've been here for 2 years.
Oh, it's
So we're gonna watch this video, Kevin, while I eat. Yes, chat. We're gonna do another question, okay? But let me eat first.
years. Okay, what's been your favorite
We're gonna
moment
watch
at Google
this,
so
Kevin.
far?
I was part of the End residency program, and
Nice.
so we got to come together as a group and all hang out, and it was really fun.
And what would you say is your favorite perk of working at Google?
The food.
I agree.
You know?
Yeah, it's honestly
Yeah.
the best. And what about if you had to give someone one piece of advice who's trying to get into Google right now? What would that advice be?
Just keep trying. I feel like if I'm here,
Same,
you can
I
be
agree.
here.
I should like.
Have you ever slept in a nap pod, and have you ever ridden a G-Bike?
I've ridden a G-bike, never slept in the nap pod.
What languages do you use, and what team do you work on?
I work on Google Workspace signup, specifically Workspace Individual, and I use Java and TypeScript.
And do you feel like you could see yourself here longer term? You've already been here 2 years, but do you think you see yourself staying here?
Yeah, it's great.
I do too. That was awesome. Thank you so much, Allison. I appreciate it. Okay, so I met Eric yesterday at the gym, but I guess for the camera, Eric, what's your name? How long you been at Google, and what's your title?
I'm Eric Newcomer. I'm a software engineer.
And so, what do you think about sort of your expectations of Google versus now you're on the other side, you're in Google? How does it match up?
I think it's pretty accurate.
And what would you say? You know, obviously, you've successfully gotten into Google now, but if you had to go back and do it again, what's like one piece of advice you would give yourself now that you know, right? Like, what's something you did wrong and that you would correct?
Not stressing out too much over it. There was a lot
Kevin, did you do the subtitles?
of leak code preparation, as you know.
Of course. And what would you say if, like, in one word, what's your experience been at Google so far?
Probably just amazing.
Yeah, I agree. I think amazing is pretty good. Thanks so much, Eric. I appreciate it. I'll see you around, man. Yeah. Okay, so what's your name? How long you been at Google, and what's your title?
My name is Qingyang Luo, and I've been at Google for 6 months now, and my title is software engineer.
And what team do you work on, and what technologies do you use?
I'm working in the Google Endpoint Management team. I'm using on iOS things like the Objective-C and the Xcode.
What do you think is your favorite perk of working at Google?
I can bring my dog to the office.
And what would you say if you had to give
the money. Stop lying.
piece of advice to someone trying to get into Google, what advice would you give them?
Just be yourself and don't spend much time on leak code, because I feel like leak code is kind of boring, and also that's kind of maybe like make you not be so passionate about being software engineer, because all those questions on leak code are so boring. Yeah. So that's maybe like not very useful advice, but yeah.
How many leak code questions do you think you've solved?
Maybe 2.
She is gatekeeping the profession, my friends. Do not listen to her. Saying to not leak code, so we don't get in Google, we don't take her job. We have to take her job.
If you had to give advice to one person who's about to interview at Google, what would that piece of advice be?
Just calm down.
Yeah.
That's my advice, yeah.
That's awesome. Thanks, Xinjiang. So first thing, what's your name? How long have you been at Google, and what's your title?
So my name is Ashutosh.
Mark Zuckerberg just stole my offer. How can I calm down?
My title is a software engineer.
And what do you think of Google so far in your first 5 months?
Oh, it's brilliant. Yeah.
And what would you say if you had to give one piece of advice to someone who's trying to get into Google right now? What would that piece of advice be?
Work on your basics. Try and understand some core concepts. I realized after joining also a lot of people over here really emphasize on threading, parallelizations and sort of stuff, which is always boring to study, but it's like used everywhere. So that's something I would like.
Yeah, that's a good piece of advice. What would you say is one lesser known thing about Google that you really love?
There are massage chairs on every floor. So you gotta time your lunch, and when you want to just get on that chair for 15 minutes and relax, yeah, they're really awesome.
So thank you so much, Ashutosh. Appreciate it, buddy.
Great.
So first off, what's your name? How long you've been here, and what's your title?
My name is Yusuf Hassan. I am a software engineer working in a cloud.
And what do you think of Google so far?
Yeah, it's really nice, honestly. You know, it's a really enjoyable experience. I really like what I'm doing.
And what do you think is your favorite perk of working at Google so far?
Honestly, just the people. Every single day I'm learning something new. I'm building connections. People are mentoring me. It's definitely a really nice thing.
And what would you tell someone who's preparing for their Google interviews now? Like, if you could tell them 5 minutes before their interview, one piece of advice, what would that be?
You don't have to get like the question exactly right. You know how the process works. You know the algorithm. Maybe you just don't know the exact syntax. But if you show them that you have that problem-solving ability, it'll really make a difference.
Right. That's great. Yeah, I totally agree. Have you ever slept in an app pod? And have you ever ridden a Google bike?
I've definitely ridden Google bikes plenty of times, but I haven't slept in an app pod.
Awesome. Thank you so much for talking to me. I really appreciate it.
Nice to meet you. That's
You too.
crazy.
So what's your name? How long you been at Google, and what's your title?
Myself, Abhilash. I've been here for around 7 months. My title is a software engineer.
And what do you think about Google so far? Is it like all it's cracked up to be? Is it what you thought it was before you joined?
Yeah, I think it met all of my expectations so far.
And what would you say is maybe like the most important skill you think
I
someone
wonder
should
if the food at Google is better than the Facebook. I like the Facebook.
have to try and be able to work here?
I think solving the problems with coding, so I usually prefer Java, so you should be able to use the collection framework and the data structures well to be able to solve the problems.
And I guess what would you say, maybe someone who's about to interview tomorrow, what's one piece of advice you'd give them for their interviews?
Yeah, just try to see like how you can solve the problem. It's okay even if you are not able to solve it.
Good night, man.
Yeah, and what's one word you would use to sort of summarize your whole experience at Google so far?
Awesome.
Nice. I agree. It's awesome. So first off, what's your name? How long have you been at Google, and what's your title?
My name is Shantanu. I have been at Google for 5 months.
And when you're done eating, I'll give 5 subs for every problem you can solve within 30 minutes. Really, Kevin? Really? You know I'm about to go off, right? I think I've been solving this question so slowly because I can't solve them. That's not what I've been doing, Kevin. I will fucking destroy the questions that are coming after. Just wait, my friend.
and work for the cloud NPI Enchprod. It's in GCP.
And what would you say is one piece of advice if you could tell someone trying to get into Google right now? What's one piece of advice you give them?
Yeah, I think a lot of companies ask trick questions, as I've seen. But Google, I think if you have the basics down, I think you can crack the interview.
What about aside from
Ask trick questions? How about DP, my friend?
bikes and then actually having the free food? What would you say
No
is your favorite
questions, only DP.
There's an amazing massage chair in this building, MP2. They have an amazing gym. So before going to the gym, I would go to the massage chair and just lie down.
And do you feel like you're learning a lot at Google? Do you think this is a good place to sort of have a career and grow and learn?
Oh, definitely. Good place to learn and grow as an engineer.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'll see you around.
Love you.
Thank you. I appreciate it. First off, how long have you been at Google? What's your name? And then what's your title?
I've been at Google for a little over 4 years now. I am an agency account strategist.
And what would you say is, I guess, one word to summarize your experience at Google so far?
Life-changing.
That's a good one. Okay. And what would you say is one piece of advice you'd give someone who's trying to get into Google right now?
I think when it comes to Google, a lot of it is finding right opportunity. Some roles might seem like a perfect fit right now, but it might not work out. So I would say, like, just don't give up. Like, sometimes an even more perfect role will come up. And so, yeah.
Nice. That's great advice. And one quick last one. What's your favorite perk of Google?
My favorite perk is the 401k match.
That's a good one. It's a good one. Awesome. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Bye, Milo. Okay, so first off, what's your name? How long have you been at Google? And what's your title?
My name is Xiang Tian. People just call me XT. I have been Google in 17 years.
And then what team are you on? And what technologies do you use day to day?
Well, I'm in Google Endpoint Manager team. Our team help Google's customers to manage devices, especially iOS devices. I use a wide of tech, like from the front end, from the mobile side, like Objective-C, Swift, and then occasionally like JavaScript, and then the back end we have Java, we have Python, we have C++ scripts.
XT can do everything. So what would you say, I guess, is your favorite moment throughout your almost 18 years at Google?
Well, there's one moment I really still remember today. That was my very first project. We have a project called Google Notebook. It was a very nice project, and it's localized for like 20 plus, 30 plus languages. Then we have a weird bug. It was like, for some languages, the first time you load the project, it doesn't work. Reload it, it works. You know, you can't really reproduce it, because once you reproduce once, it's gone. How do you handle it? How do you battle it? So I'm looking at this deployment thing. There must be something wrong, but I don't have lots of chance to catch it. So I just looking at the code just by staring. One moment I finally realized, I got it, Eureka! It's a very technical issue. It's basically when two parts put together, both parts are localized, they are not linked together properly. So for English, everything works. For other language, the first time it will hit an empty cache that's not popularized. And the second time it hit the cache, oh, now it's up. But the first time, it will always miss.
Amazing. What would you say, I'm sure Google...
Right after this interview, this man got fired, leaking confidential.
Google's changed a lot throughout your almost 18 years here. What are some of the ways that you think it's changed?
Oh, there's a lot of ways Google has changed. Google was a really small company. I think when I joined as a junior engineer, my manager is Larry Page himself.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, and that's not like that now. There's like 150,000 people now. XT was probably the first 1,000 people here.
Everyone just speaks their mind there. Anyone could criticize the company. I don't think that's the right way to go. And the Larry Page talk show hosts like up there, like tech joke, telling jokes for everyone. It's very interesting. And the question is just walk to people's decks and talk to people directly.
Really?
Yeah.
Have you talked to either of them?
Yeah, I talked to one of them.
What? And what would you say, you've been here a long time, you've seen a lot of things. In your opinion, what do you think is the most important thing for someone to have to be a software engineer?
I would say most people can do that, but not everyone can be a good one. So to be a good software engineer, one thing I think is the most important, you try to understand things, how it works. You really try hard to understand how to work, make it work. That's the key traits of a software engineer.
And what would you say, I guess, if someone is trying to get into Google right now, what's one piece of advice that you'd give them for their prep or their studying?
Tactical point of view, you have to try to look at what kind of interview question Google is asking and try to prepare for that. But I don't think that's super important. It's more important like, what do you want to do? What do you want to do at Google? What do you want to do as a software engineer? Google is not the only good companies you can join. To be a good software engineer, what kind of the skill set you want to have, and you grow that part skill set. And Google will just come to you. Even Google doesn't, some other companies will come to you too.
I totally agree. There's like endless great companies out there, and Google's just one of them. You've been here for 18 years. What keeps you here? What keeps you happy?
Obviously, I'm happy. Otherwise, I would have already left. The important thing here is that Google recognize people's values and it tries to put the people in the right place. It's really care about individual engineers. Everyone has its place, and I found my place. So I'm staying in this nice place.
Yeah. Well, we're very happy to have you, XT, and thank you so much for talking to me. I really appreciate it.
Thank you for this chance for me to express myself.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Of course.
Bro, this guy's so chill. What the hell? Actually, so chill. Is he like a famous employee? Bro, chill. 8.
How many leak code questions?
That was a wild jump.
X seems like, yeah. Yeah, I think he said like 17 years or something. Go on LeetCode Google section, see what problems are there. Yeah. Alright. Wait, Kevin, is that offer still up? Can I solve questions within the next 30 minutes? Horse? Alright. Set the timer. Let's do it. Yeah, I think it will help me, Kevin. Thank you very much. Okay, skip 3. Alright, no worries. I will only skip one question. What the hell is this? Okay, give me 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, let me go to the questions. Yeah, I'll just skip this O1 matrix. I'll do this. And I'll do this. Okay, I'll start with this. And then this, and then this. Alright, let's go. Ooh, let me just set up the... Put the clock. Alright. Do it. Ooh. Hope we solve like 8 problems. Yeah, I don't think I can do 8 problems. Let's go. Given an array of points where points blah 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 represents the points on return the k closest points to origin. Okay. K closest. So we'll probably use a heap. Put H in heap of size K. So it's gonna keep the minimum time. Return heap. What if they're the same distance? They're the same distance, we need an equalizer. Okay. For the distance, I can push it in the heap. I have to keep the heap to a certain size. In heap. Wait. If I already have, let's say, 4 elements, the max 4, I want to put something else in. I have to get rid of the largest element. Do I need 2 heaps? I need a large... No. That makes no sense. Put 1, 2, 4, 5. And I'll put 3 in. Yes, I think I need a max heap. Right? Because I need to pop what's at the top. Fuck, wait. Let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5, 3. The heap size is 2. Right, heap size is 2. So heap, we're gonna put 1, 2, and once we put 4. If we have a max heap, what's gonna be popped is 2. That's stupid. Do we check if 4 is bigger than 2? Smaller than 2? Otherwise we don't pop it. Yes, we check if it's smaller. Right, so... Okay, but let's say it's 3. The size is 3. Say the size is 3. So we have this, and then we have 5. And then since 5 is bigger than 4, we don't put it in. But since 3 is smaller than 4, and so we pop this and we put 3 in. Right, so we need a max heap of size K. Max size of size K. Or I guess we could just put everything in the heap and then pop them. But that would be less optimal, right? So I think I'm gonna do this. Okay. So for max heap, I'll just put negative and push negative, so max heap, and then okay. So if length of heap smaller than, simply push. Else length of heap is bigger than K, or is at K already. You have to check if distance is bigger. This is bigger than minus how do I do negative? Is it just minus fuck. How do you do negative number? I think I just put this negative sign. and what's at the top of the heap, right? 0. So this becomes positive. So let's say if it was 4, it would become actual 4. If the distance is actually smaller than what's at the top, then we want to put. Wait a second. Does this actually work? If. Alright, one more thing. 4, 5, 2, 1, 2. Then it's going to put 4, 5, 3. At the top of the stack will be 5. So turn up half 5 and replace it with 1. Maybe 4, replace it with 2. But yes, it works. So at the top of the heap, it's going to be 5. And see that 1 is smaller 5. Therefore, I want to push new thing. Pop push. Pop. Push pop. Push pop. Push pop. Oh. Oh wow. I can just do this every time. Okay, whatever. Okay, so I'm putting this in. Point I. Okay, so I put this in first. So 1 is going to be put in, and then it's going to put up 5 from the. Perfect. Okay. Okay, we're good. At the end of this, we want to convert this back into a list, or yeah, we want to get everything. Yeah. So return. I minus I 2 for I in heap. Unary operand. This. Huh? It says I can do this. Oh yeah. Fuck. Times minus 1. What? Oh, okay, integer. Wait. What? Yo! Alright! We got 1 down. That took 15 minutes? Fuck! Okay. We got 1 down. Next one. Binary tree level order traversal. Alright, Kevin. Okay. I won't rechat. Let's keep going. Given the return level order traversal from left to right, level by level. Okay, so this BFS. Return level order traversal from left to right, level by level. If it's 3, 9, 20, 7.3, 9.20. Okay, got it. Huh? Nine and 20 are put in. Then temp append 3. This for loop is over. For loop is over. We append temp q. To res, I mean. Which will be 3. Then we pop 9 and 20. We pop, yeah, 9, 20, and we append 9 and 20. What's the issue here? Read 9, 20, 15, 7. It's correct. Type error. Not supported. Instance of int and tree node. Why am I doing comparison? I'm not doing any comparison. What? Plus is not valid value for the expected return. Ah. Got it. No, not got it. Wait, this is the right answer. I have the right answer here at the end. Is this lagging? Three. Append node. Does it want the value? Oh my fucking god. Wait. What? How can node be none? Okay, we got it. How much time? 8 minutes. Let's go, boys. Let's go. One more. Phone graph. Fuck it. Okay, I skipped 3. That's fine, right? Kevin, you're still here. I'm holding you hostage. Oh my god, bro. Okay, given a okay, graph. I love graphs. Graph is a knowing connector and direct to graph. Return deep copy clone of the graph. Knowing the graph contains a value int. Let's note of it. Wait, if it's one node, why does it not return one node? Is it okay? This adjacency list. Adjacency list is the key is a node, and the value are the neighbors to this node. Okay, I need to return deep copies of every node in this node. So, obviously we have to. I think we have to do like a DFS through this node. We have to visit every node. And upon returning from the DFS. So when we visit each node, we should create a new copy of the node. And upon returning, we should put it in the neighbor of the nodes that it has. Wait. Yes. So each node has its value and its neighbors. So we need to clone itself and all the neighbors. So create a okay, so we need to create new node. It's going to equal to node with the value equal to node.value. and empty neighbors. Begin with. And what's the base case? I think here, right? Once we clone it, we need to return. We need one. One will go to two. Two. How much? 3 minutes? Fuck. 1, 2. Oh. Yes. So once we reach to the end, right, we return the copies, and we can have a store, I think, right, to store the copies, and we have that would be the base case. If node is in store, return stored node, right? We return the copy that we made here. And this copy, you have to put it in the store. So with the store, you can have store node equals to new node. And after this, we create the node itself. But what? We need to create all the neighbors. So for everything in neighbors, node.neighbors, we have to add this to the new node. New node.append clone graph EFS on the neighbor. Once it goes to 4, it will go to 1 again, but it will see that 1 is already inside, and therefore it will change. It will just return the 1 copy. I have 2 minutes. Return the 1 copy. By returning the 1 copy, it's going to go to 3. 2 and 1. And it's gonna append each one of them. Okay. I think it's makes sense, right? Or I think this makes sense. I think this makes sense. So we can just use DFS on the node, beginning node, begin this thing, and return the new node at the end, which will be the head, the new head. "40 seconds. What? Yo, 10 seconds. We got it. Another one. No, I'm done. Holy shit. Okay, I'm done. 4 seconds, I'm done. Yo, Kevin, you don't have to give me, bro. I'm good. That was a good practice. Holy shit. Yo, did we have a... Oh, we should have put a vote up for that. Chat. Mods, you should have put a points competition for that. Holy shit, that was clutch. Oh. Easy. Yo, bro. Oh my god. Oh boy. Thank you for the 15, bro. Appreciate it. Damn. Oh my god. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you. Oh my god. Holy shit. Yeah, thank you for pushing me to do this as well. This was clutch. I was not thinking I would do 3 more questions at this hour. That was fun. Oh my god. Thank you for the 15, bro. Yo, what's up, Blotch? Oh, you did put up a prediction. Oh. The prediction. Prediction results is yes. Can Pan solve this leak code in 8 minutes? Oh, that was the last one? Yo, look at you disbelievers, bro. The freaking disbelievers. Yo, you guys got fucked. Alright, bro. I think we might call it a day now. This is a good time to end. Yo, Kevin, don't you have work tomorrow? It's like 2 a.m. How long is your break? Yeah, are you on break? Y'all push each other? Yo, that is absolutely factual facts, my friend. That is true. You have work tomorrow? God damn. You know, what's your break? Like, or is it just like you choose your own break? Yo, good night, dude. Good night, dude. Oh, man. Let me find someone to raid real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna just raid Trundle top as you. This guy's in the bathroom. I'm gonna raid him while he's in top. Most people take off because of holidays, but it's kind of nice not to because it's so chill. I got a couple days for Christmas, and I get a couple days. Oh, I see it. That makes sense. Alright, Kevin, go sleep, bro. You got work tomorrow. Thank you again, bro. We got chose to play some games soon. Well, actually, I guess I can't really play games. I'm fucking getting fucked in the ass. Alright, chat. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for all the follows. Thank you for all the subs. If you're new here, check out the YouTubes. Check out the socials. Join the Discord to get notified. Make sure to follow the stream. Thank you for donations, everything. I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I think I'll stream a bit earlier because I have some family time at night. Yeah, I gotta spend some time with my mom. Yeah, so I might stream at like 1 p.m. But I might be capping too. But I'll see you guys tomorrow for at least a little bit. If not, I'll let you guys know in the Discord. Good night, guys. Good night. 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 Love you guys. Yo, chat, go raid. Go raid. Raid. Raid Shadow Legends.